Hey, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Shawty, what you sipping? You look so delicious. I hope you ain't gotta make us tonight.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise, and I'm back with another video. So as you guys can tell from the title, yes, this is another Amazon hairpiece, and if y'all sleep on Amazon, y'all need to definitely wake up, because I'm so sorry, but Amazon is where it's at. Like, I buy everything from my electronics to like my skincare products, now hair. You can get pretty much anything from Amazon. It's like hassle free with the returns, so you don't have to worry about anything. You can get it same day, next day. Yes, but yeah, I picked up some hair from this company called SHEENREAL, and yeah, I decided to pick up another bob because it seemed like the bobs are like super affordable and they're really good quality. So here is the hairpiece that I got. Again, it is a bob. It's a lace front wig. You got the 13 by 4 inch parting space, and mine was 14 inches. So for the 14 inch, it was about $113, I think it was $112. And they also had like a little coupon thing that you can apply to save some more money, so definitely take advantage of that. But I want to show you guys exactly what the wig looks like straight out the pack, because a lot of you guys will comment on our videos saying that, oh, my wig didn't look anything like yours. And pretty much if you don't customize it the exact same way that we customize our units, it's not gonna look like ours. But yeah, so I'm showing you guys what the unit looks like directly out the box. I didn't manipulate it, I didn't do anything to it. It's not washed, just how it was when I received it, and it's not bad at all. You do have the pre-plucked hairline and the pre-plucked center part. However, the knots were not bleached, so you're definitely gonna have to go in and bleach those. If you don't want to, you can, you know, add some foundation if you choose to, or leave it as is. It's up to you. But I went ahead and I bleached my own knots, and that is what it looks like. So right now I'm just going in and I'm customizing the unit. Again, you don't have to do this. I'm just doing this because I enjoy doing it. I enjoy customizing my units, because once you're done customizing it for the life of the unit, you're pretty much good to go. You don't have to go back in and do anything to it unless you want to color it. But for me, I don't like colors, so the unit's pretty much good to go after this. But I am just going in and I am tweezing out some of the hairs in the front perimeter to make it look a little more realistic. This is just going to make the wig look less dense along the front perimeter, and it already does have baby hairs, so I went ahead and I parted those off, and I plucked behind the hairline, and I separated another section of the hair to thin out some of the hairs behind the hairline. Again, we're looking for a more realistic appearance, so this is what I do. Again, you don't have to do it. I know it could be more time consuming for you guys, but for me, you only need about 30 minutes of your time to complete this entire task. Now an hour of your time, okay? But right now I'm just going in and I am laying the baby hairs. A lot of you guys don't like baby hairs. Me, I like the baby hairs just to disguise the lace, so therefore it's not looking too wiggy. The baby hairs really do come in handy to go over the lace, so you're not really seeing it when you're wearing it, so nobody's looking at you like you crazy. But yeah, right now I'm just going in and I'm redefining the hair, although you can leave it nice and poofy like how it just was. But I like my hair to look really nice and defined and curly and pretty. Now the curl defining mousse that I use, it does have some sort of an oil in it, so it did make the hair look really shiny. And it doesn't help that I have my studio lights on a gloomy day, so the hair is looking extremely shiny, but I promise you guys, it's not that shiny in real life. Just break that cast over the hair and you won't really notice all that eye blinding shine, I promise you guys. But right now I'm going to go ahead and temporarily adhere the wig down. I'm just going in with my Main Choice Edge Freezing Gel. Now I prefer this particular gel because it dries really fast and it's really sticky and tacky. You don't have to go in with a blow dryer to help it dry or anything like that. Just pretty much quickly apply it to the perimeter of your hairline. Again, quickly. You have to work really fast because it dries really quickly. And then just using the back of a comb, go ahead and press that down so that it stays in place. And then you're going to take either your wrapping strips, or like myself, I'm using a knee-high stocking, and I'm just going to apply that around the perimeter just to let that gel set in place. So our baby hairs are laid, the perimeter is applied, and you're good to go. But right now I'm just breaking that crunchy hair cast. So I'm just using a little bit of water and then my fingers just to break it off. And the hair was a little wet at this point, so you do want it to dry, especially if it's cold outside. Out here in Arizona, we're still in like the hundreds as far as the temperature, so all I gotta do is go outside. But yeah, this is what the perimeter looks like. I do notice that I have a little tiny bit of lace that's kind of showing. Just apply a little more of your baby hairs over that lace and you won't notice it, I promise you guys. But right now I'm just going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish to go over that front perimeter of lace, just to blend my complexion with the lace together, so you're not really noticing a transitional difference. But yeah, I did also notice that I had like a little demarcation line from the stocking, so use a little bit of water, use your fingers to get rid of that demarcation line, and you should be good to go. And you guys, look at this hair, like it's so pretty. Like I'm like, oh, I love it, because I really didn't want a center part. I wanted the hair to go out of my face and look like you're fresh out of the shower. The hairstyle is very effortless. Yeah, super easy. Didn't really notice any crazy shading. However, when I did wash the hair, a brown color came off of it. I want to say, I don't know if it's like hair color or if it's like some sort of a chemical, but the water did turn brown. So I do want to encourage you guys to wash the hair before you wear it, because yeah, and also it did have a slight smell. Not too bad, but it was a slight smell to the hair. But yeah, here's what the hair looks like. Loving it. So soft, so pretty, and my gosh, it looks so realistic. Like, sis, what wig? Where? Okay, but right now I'm just giving you guys a look at the hair if you were to wear it, exactly how you would receive it in that middle part position, because I can't just leave that out. But I went ahead and I parted off the hair, and when I parted it, the hair did become frizzy, but watch how the curls bounce right back. All you need is a little bit of water, a little more of your curl defining mousse, apply that to where it's frizzy, and those curls will just redefine itself. Super gorgeous. But you guys do check out SHEENREAL on Amazon. And again, the wig that I have is 14 inches. It's their Virgin Brazilian curly bob. This is 130% density. It's really light and natural. It's not super thick. However, like I just said, it looks very light and natural. But the more that you manipulate the hair, the bigger that it will get, especially if it's dry. But again, you guys do check out SHEENREAL on Amazon. Let me know if you guys decide to pick up this unit. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.
Did you know that you are not gonna wanna walk in? And when we talk about the level that we going to, I suggest that you go ahead and take them off there. I'm Shin, number one, consists of a mixture of liquor that gives you a fix of careers, but still has a feeling of adrenaline that will make anybody wanna go and get it in. But I'm telling you again that I don't drink, but I know drinks that will bring it to the level where you don't think, and to the point where you really don't care, and they guarantee to have your body all on lean. And